What's up, y'all? It's the guy in the camo hat. Although, as you can see, I don't necessarily have a camo hat on today. I haven't made a video in like fucking 5 years. So, yeah, I'm driving. I decided, I had my computer because I'm going home. I'm down at school again. Figured I'd film a video right now. I haven't done videos in a long time. That was just because my internet was really shitty, and I didn't feel like spending 45 minutes like just uploading a fucking video every week, So I'm back down at I got a house with a couple buddies down at school now, and our internet's great, so you should be expecting videos from me regularly again, as long as I don't get too swamped with schoolwork and shit like that. Yeah, just trying to kill a little time. I got like 2 more hours. I'm driving up to Chicago because over the summer I've been volunteering at in the emergency room at the University of Chicago Hospital or something like that. Just getting some experience before I apply for whatever nursing shit, whatever I'm doing. And yeah, it's kind of nice facing this way because I got a giant ass ugly zit on my forehead from ROTC. We had last week, or this week, we've been having COP, which is the Cadet Orientation Program, where, the freshmen come in and it's like a mini boot camp type thing, where we show them the ropes, stuff like that, teach them everything that they're going to need to know for the year. So I've been standing out, sweating my balls off in the sun for the last 3 days. And my PC has just been marinating all that nasty grime on my forehead. So, for those of you who don't know what a PC is, it's my patrol cap, the hat that we wear. And it's just been soaking up my sweat and keeping it there, so I got like a nice little line of zits going across the top of my forehead. I'm sure other service movers can relate with that. That sucks. And, yeah, it's kind of nice to be facing this way, so you can't see my nasty zits. But yeah, I've been really busy this fucking summer, which is another reason why I wasn't making videos. It might sound like I'm yelling. I feel like I'm yelling, but that's just because my car is kind of loud, and I'm on the expressway. And I feel like, I don't know, if I'm yelling in this video, I'm sorry. It's because my car is loud and I want the computer to hear this shit. But this summer I've been working. I got that pizza delivery job I was talking about at the beginning of break, the last video that I made. And so between working in the evenings and volunteering at this hospital all the way in Chicago, which is like 40 minutes away from my house, and between those and taking summer classes at a community college near me, well, not necessarily near me, but still like a fucking 20-minute drive to get there. I've been busy as shit. Really got to see my buddies this summer. Only went and hung out with them maybe like 3 or 4 times over the course of like 3 months, just due to the fact that I was working evenings, and especially like in the food service industry, like you do not have weekends ever. Like it sucks dick, but that's just the way of it, because everyone else is working during the week and then they want food on the weekends, and your job is delivering food and stuff, so you're pretty much busy Friday night, Saturday night, and then maybe Sunday. were like working and stuff. So it was hard to match our schedules up, but we got it to work out. Yeah, I'm back down at school now. I think I said that already. I'm renting a house with 4 other guys. It's pretty cool. Yeah. Where was I going with that? Oh yeah. What do I got going? For those of you who live in Illinois, Northern Illinois, you may know, you may have heard of the Sandwich Fair. I'm pretty excited for that. I got a buddy that lives out over that area, and I think it's the weekend of like September 4th or 5th or whatever that is. He should be coming. He goes to school in Missouri, and he should be swinging by and picking me up, and then we're gonna go to his house, go to the Sandwich Fair, listen to some live music, go see the tractor pulls. Should be a good time. I'm looking forward to that. I'm taking one class this semester at a community college near the U of I, and that just started like this week, so I've already been busy doing school shit. And the rest of my classes start Monday, this upcoming Monday, the 26th. So I'm getting a lot on my plate pretty quick. But yeah. There wasn't really much that I wanted to say in this video other than I'm back. I should be doing videos again. Just let you guys know. I checked my YouTube account a couple times over the summer, and I do have to say I'm pretty pleased with the subscriptions and the views. So thank you guys a lot for what you guys have been doing. If you like what I'm putting out, you're subscribing, you're watching my videos, and I feel kind of bad that I haven't done jack shit for you guys over the summer, but that's just the way that's just the way it went. Hopefully, fingers crossed, I shouldn't be too swamped to put, like a half hour aside maybe once a week, shit like that, just to get a video out there for you guys. But yeah, thanks again for your subscriptions and your views and all that fun shit. I think I'm up over 1,000 views now. Last time I checked was in like July, and I think I had over 1,000. So I don't know what it is right now, but yeah, that's great. That makes me real happy. So yeah, thanks again. That's really all I got for y'all today. So I will see y'all later.